Welcome back to part 2 of our 100-piece LOL jigsaw. Anthea is doing really well. So, we haven't got much left, guys. So we just thought we would just step you into part 2. We didn't want to make too long of a video. I'm not doing too well.
Mummy?
I've stopped looking at the picture. Yes, darling?
Do you know where this these two go?
Right, so she's like a Cleopatra kind of girl. Be here, look. So she's next to about be here. She is. There we are.
The other piece.
No.
Yeah.
No, I think you might have got that wrong. I don't think that one went there. I think it goes there. No. No, listen now. Done. Excellent, eh? Good teamwork, babe. And Mommy is just not getting any at the moment, guys. I'm not doing it right either. I'm not looking at the picture anymore. I'm a little bit guessing. And guys, I have to say, it's not the way you do a jigsaw. I've been looking for this piece for quite some time. I know. Oh, let's have a look. I think that goes. Oh. Well, there we are. I'm trying my best.
Nope.
Nope. No, I thought that had something to do with the wavy hair, but no. I was wrong, guys. Maybe that does. There we are. I'm finally getting somewhere. Thea's not talking much. She's in concentration mode. Are you in concentration mode, Thea? Concentration. Concentration.
Oh, yeah.
Thea is concentrating. Thea is concentrating. She's got the... That's Thea now, look. I've taught her well, guys. She is looking for the piece. She's stolen the board. That's the piece I was looking for ages. I don't think we got any left. It's upside down to me, so we just move it. I'll put it back. It's really difficult because you can't see it. Because it's very hard because I put it on there, which is silly me. Need, like, I don't know, board or something. So we're just in the background before Thea shouts at me. Guys, and I've been doing it upside down, which is probably why I'm not very good. No, she must go there. No? Guys, I'm really not very good at jigsaws. Not very good at jigsaws.
Can I help you?
You need help? What do you need help with?
This piece.
Oh, Jan.
These pieces on this board.
Okay, let's have a look then. Let's have a look. What have you got? Let's have a look at the board and give me the pieces in my hand. Okay. So we're looking for a kitty cat girl. Kitty cat, where are you? Kitty cat. Okay. She's here.
Okay.
Right, so next to your Cleopatra looking girl.
Okay.
She's literally down from the Cleopatra girl.
Okay.
So she must be by here somewhere.
Okay. Okay, Mum.
There you are.
And boop.
Boop. Good teamwork.
What's the doing?
Everybody. I think that goes there.
Help?
Does anybody...
Help?
What do you need help with now? No, I don't think they go together. Maybe they do. So look, we've got a minute now. So they go together. So we're looking for a girl with like a... She's by her.
I saw her.
Right?
I don't know where she goes.
No, because we haven't got any of that together yet, I don't think.
Ah.
So look for the headphones. She's up this way somewhere. Where's she gone? By her.
Up this way.
By her somewhere, Thea.
Okay.
She connecting to... Ah, well done.
Perfect.
Well done.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Excellent. I love that. Teamwork makes the dream work. Teamwork makes the dream work. Milers.
Oh, Super Bowl.
See, it is flying, guys. She is flying. Flying
That's why I'm
through this jigsaw.
concentrating.
She's concentrating. That's what she says. I'm concentrating, Mom.
Let's
Oh,
go.
okay.
Rock a girl.
Hopefully now when it comes
Rock a
together,
girl.
then
I need
there's a
this
rocker girl.
Thanks.
Yeah, perfect.
Now we'll go next to rocker.
Okay. Where's the rest of the yellow outside?
Rocker. Oh, that girl. This girl I need.
Was it? Well done, Thea. My girl is so clever.
That not girl.
I think that one goes there.
Let's rock her. Okay.
I'm just literally having a guess, guys.
We're eating constantly.
Having a guess, yeah. Having a guess as to where pieces go. Seeing if I can.
Can I have the board, please? Oh, never mind. I saw it over here.
Well done, Thea.